RCB. Virat Kohli is here with us. Tell us about this young man. It must have been fun watching him at the other end.
Yeah, it was an outstanding innings. He batted really well for his first season last time around as well. A bit of a talk about him accelerating after getting 30 and 40, but this is exactly how you put things to rest. To be honest, the pitch was great to bat on, but he did pick the right areas to hit, and once he got going, it was almost impossible to stop him because he's tall. The bowlers can't pitch it short. He can clip balls for 6. He can pull it for 6. Great talent, great one to watch out in the future. And tonight I had the best seat in the house and really thoroughly enjoyed his innings.
Your own batting, it seemed like you were tuning an instrument. You got to 28 of 26, and then suddenly you hit the right note. Does that happen sometimes? I mean, that all of a sudden everything comes right.
I think it's T20 cricket is all about partnership batting, and once you have so much experience over the years, you can't always be the guy going to dominate from the word go. That's the opening partnership. That's the essence of a good opening partnership, that when one guy goes, it's very important for me not to lose wickets from the other end. Keep rotating strike, keep putting him back on strike because he's taking the initiative, and vice versa. Sometimes I'll get off to a start, he'll have to rotate strike. So that's exactly what we're looking to do, and tonight my role was different, so I wanted to hang in there, spend some time in the middle, and then the wicket was so good. As I mentioned, I could pick my areas in the end, but I think Dev's inning was the game changer and the momentum changer for us, and my role was pretty clear from the third over onwards that I have to hold one end, push him back on strike as much as possible, and then hit the odd out boundary in between.
Were you almost sort of hand-holding as the 100 came close?
Well, we spoke about it. He said finish it off. I said no, I'm going to keep putting you back on strike, because he said many more to come. I said yeah, I'll say that to you when you get the first one, because he wasn't going to take singles for 100. I knew that. He was hitting the ball beautifully, so it was very important for him to cross that milestone. Getting 3 figures in a tournament like this early on is a different ball game altogether, and I want him to build from here, build further on and really help the team. And I think he deserved to get 100 tonight. I mean, the way he batted, strike rate of almost 200, flawless innings completely, attacked the bowlers. He deserved to get the three-figure mark.
You talk of RCB, you always talk of these glamour, beautiful batsmen. There's you, this year there's Maxwell, there's AB. I'd like you to talk about the bowling this year, because it's been fantastic. There's been Siraj, there's Washington, Jameson himself been a great buy. Tell us a little more about the bowling, especially someone like Siraj, whom you're using very well up front.
We don't have many standout names in bowlers, but we have cricketers who are effective, and we want to be an effective bowling side. We don't want to be a bowling side full of superstars and guys who can do the job day in, day out, who've been doing it for years. We have depth in our bowling. These guys are professional. These guys have done the job so many times. 4 out of 4 games we've been the standout bowling side in the death overs, and we continue to take a lot of pride in that. Even tonight, 49 for 4 in the last 5. We actually restricted about 30-35 runs, which in the end pushed our run rate very high and helped us achieve that target within the overs that we did. So I think huge credit has to go to the bowlers. Dev's inning was outstanding, but for me, the bowling performance, which was aggressive, which was optimistic, positive, I think that made a lot of difference in this game.
It's been a roller coaster ride over the years for RCB fans. So do me a favor, just look straight into that camera and talk to your fans, because they are overjoyed at the moment. I mean, just watching, listening in on social media, watching, they're over the moon.
Well,